This is a set of functions for supporting uniprocessor-only systems in the Linux kernel, including calling a function on a single CPU, calling a function on each CPU with a certain condition, and calling a function on a specific CPU. Now, let's take a deeper dive. Includes necessary header files. This function is used to call a function on a single processor. It checks if the CPU specified is 0, which is the only valid value for uniprocessor systems. Disables interrupts, calls the specified function with a specified info, and restores interrupts. Then it returns 0. This function is similar to smp_call_function_single but is asynchronous. It calls the specified function with a specified info and returns 0. This function is used to call a function on all available CPUs. It checks if the specified condition function is true and if the CPU mask includes CPU 0. It then calls the specified function with the specified info on each available CPU. This function is used to call a function on a specific CPU. It checks if the CPU specified is 0, which is the only valid value for uniprocessor systems. It then calls the specified function with the specified parameter on the specified CPU. If this is true, it also pins the virtual CPU to the physical CPU. Hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Please subscribe to our channel. Now, a quick recap of what we covered. This is a set of functions that provide support for uniprocessor-only systems, meaning systems that have only a single CPU. The first two functions, smp_call_function_single and smp_call_function_single_async, call a function on a single CPU and are essentially the same, except that the latter is asynchronous. The third function on_each_CPU_cond_mask calls a function on each CPU that passes a certain condition. The final function, smp_call_on_CPU calls a function on a specific CPU, and optionally pins that CPU to ensure it is used for the entire duration of the function call. All of these functions are exported as symbols and can be used by other parts of the kernel or by modules.